Now, this is how you can make a schedule in your iPhone. Let's get into it. So there are like two types of schedules. One is more flexible than the other, or a schedule might be like a calendar or also a timetable. So let me just cover both options. At first, if you would like to get a fixed schedule for some things which you repeat every single day, then I would recommend you to get a timetable app. And the one which I used in the past and I still like really much, I'm not affiliated with them, but it's this one called Class Timetable. Even if you don't use it for studying or anything, it's also a good tool for your everyday life because it's very easy to use and it features widgets and it's very nicely organized. And using this app, you basically just set up your daily schedules. So you just choose what happens on, let's say, on Thursday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. or whatever the time period you pick. You give it a title. Let's say you just give it a gym. Then you choose the color. Let's put it the green. You can also just add some info and attachments. And right now you end up having a schedule for your Thursday where it means that 9 a.m. equals gym. And, you just set it up day by day for something else for Friday. And, it just goes like this. So if you want to have this kind of like rigid schedule, then this type of app is really useful. On the other hand, for some more flexible approach, I'd recommend you to get a calendar. I like to use Google Calendar. It's really good. And there you can also just set it up in a similar way, but that is more for flexible things, right? So each day will likely look different. And if you plan out your meetings and schedules in a way that, as I say, every single day kind of looks different, then calendars are a much better approach for this. So let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and subscribe so you never miss more videos like this one in the future. See you guys in the next one.